move to present tense. Okay. So here you can see the 4 divisions of present tense. Which are the 4 divisions? Yes, simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Hope it is clear because we discussed all these things in the previous class itself. Okay. So which are the 4 divisions? Simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Okay. And now let's move to each of the divisions in present tense detail. Okay, ready? Now let's move to simple present tense. Okay. See, in simple present tense, we use this tense to express present state of things. Okay, present state, we use to express present state in this simple present tense. Okay. Just like what you are doing now at present, what I am doing now at present, that all those things we can tell in simple present tense. Okay. And here you can see the format of simple present tense. How can we construct a sentence in simple present tense? Okay, see here we should have to use subject plus verbs S form or base form to construct a sentence in simple present tense. Means see, subject should be there, that you know. Whenever we write a sentence, subject should be there. Plus what we want, verbs S form or base form. Verbs different forms, I told you in the previous class itself when we discussed the past tense, right? So you are familiar with the different forms of verb. So here we have to use, in this simple present tense, we have to use what? Verbs S form, otherwise base form. When we use verbs S form or base form, see, if the subject is singular, we should use what? S form of the verb. If the subject is singular, what we use? S form of the verb. And if the subject is plural, what? We should use base form of the verb. Okay. And with the I, subject I also, we should have to use what? Base form of the verb. Clear? Subject plus verbs S form or base form we should have to use in simple present tense to construct a sentence, right? If the subject is singular, we should use S form of the verb, and if the subject is plural, we should use base form of the verb. Okay, clear? And with subject I also, we should use what? Base form of the verb. Clear? For example, he writes a letter. S form of the verb, writes. He subject writes. Write plus S. S form of the verb, writes a letter. Okay. And if we use what? Subject as they, plural form. What we use? They play cricket, not plays. They play cricket. Okay. Clear? And if it is I, subject is I write a letter, not writes. I write a letter. Okay, clear? Now let's move to the uses of simple present tense. What are the uses of simple present tense? Listen. To state general facts or universal truths, we should use what? Simple present tense. See, for example, the sun rises in the east. The sun rises. See, rise is the verb and here it used yes form. Rises in the east. See, it's a universal truth. Otherwise, it's a general fact. Okay. So, these things we can use to tell in simple present tense only. These things will never change, right? I cannot change this and you also cannot change this universal truth, otherwise general facts. So these things we can mention in simple present tense only. Okay, the sun rises in the east, for example. And next one, to express immediate future action also we can tell in what? Simple present tense. Immediate future action means the next thing. Next coming thing, next coming action, otherwise next coming event we can tell in simple present tense. See, for example, Raju leaves for USA tomorrow. Raju leaves. Leaves means what? Leave. Leave is the verb here. S form. Raju singular subject. Leave plus S. Leaves for the USA tomorrow. Tomorrow here means what? It is the action is going to happen, right? In the future. tomorrow, immediate future, tomorrow it will happen, but we can use to tell this in simple present tense. Okay, Raju leaves for the USA tomorrow. Okay, and one more thing, to express habitual actions. Habitual actions means what? The actions we are doing every day. That is called what? Habitual actions. We brush every day, right? We take bath every day. We eat breakfast every day, right? All these things we can use to tell in what? Simple present tense. Okay, to express habitual actions. See here, you can see the example. We play cricket every day, every evening, sorry. We play cricket every evening. Every evening we are doing what? We are playing cricket. So we can tell this in simple present tense. Every evening what we are doing, we play cricket. This is a habitual action. Do you eat breakfast every day? Yes. So you can say what? I eat breakfast every day. I eat. Okay. I eat breakfast every day. That is a habitual action. I eat breakfast every day. Right. So this is also what? Habitual action. Eat. I, subject is singular, but with I we should use what? Base form of the verb. I eat. Here you can say plural subject we with the base form of the verb. We play cricket every day. Okay. And if it is a singular person, you can write like what? He plays cricket. Did you understand the difference? I hope it is clear. Okay, he plays cricket every evening. We can tell like that. Okay, so what are the rules in the simple present tense? Simple present tense we used to express present state of things in the simple present tense. Okay, and here we have to use subject plus verbs S form, otherwise base form to construct a sentence in simple present tense. Clear? With the singular subject, what we should use? With the singular subject, we should use what? Yes form. And with the plural subject, what we should use? Base form of the verb. Got it? And with I, what we use? Base form of the verb. Okay. And uses of present tense. What are the uses? To express general facts or universal truths, we can use simple present tense. The sun rises in the east. Okay. The sun sets in the west. That's also universal truth. The sun sets in the west. Okay, we can say like that. Is form of the verb. To express general facts or universal truths, we use simple present tense. And to express immediate future action, we should use what? Simple present tense. Immediate future action. For example, Raju leaves for the USA tomorrow. Okay, and instead of Raju will leave for the USA tomorrow, we are using what? Simple present tense to express this immediate future action. Raju leaves. Okay, Raju leaves for the USA tomorrow. And to express habitual actions also, we used it to what? Simple present tense. We used to express habitual actions also in the simple present tense. Okay. Just like we play cricket every evening. What we are doing every day, we can use to tell in simple present tense. Habitual actions. We read newspaper every day, right? So we can tell like we read newspaper. Otherwise, I read newspaper every day. I read. I plus base form of the verb. Read newspaper every day. Okay. So what? Universal truths, immediate future action, and habitual actions we used to express in simple present tense. Clear?